Hey guys, super quick video today just on the GoPro 8 Quikcapture settings. Now, I actually learned something today that I didn't know, and a big thank you to Jack Shee, was his name, for commenting on my video. And he said, doesn't Quikcapture leave the camera in a sort of standby mode and drain the battery? I don't think it does stay in a standby mode because you can put the battery in and then press it, and straight away it goes into, Quikcapture. When I have my GoPro completely fully charged 100%, I come back to about a day later, 24 hours, it's only on about 95%, which I think is pretty standard for, just a battery degrading over the course of a day. And I leave Quikcapture on all the time. So in case you guys didn't know, when you have Quikcapture on, if you just press this button at the top here, the GoPro switches on really quick and starts recording straight away. And then when you press the button again, it stops recording and it switches the GoPro off. Really good way of saving battery. So to get to the settings, go into preferences, general, and then this is where Quikcapture, you can turn it on and off. And then this is the preset. And now this is the bit that I just learned today. So under Quikcapture, if you short press, you get, whatever the default setting is that you've just used, but long press gives you the time lapse. Now actually, I think this is a setting I wish that you could disable. So I'll tell you the story. When I was in Japan and I was skiing and we'd gone hiking out and done, this big backcountry stuff. Perfect day, gorgeous powder, and go skiing. So I'm gonna go turn my GoPro on and I've got these big gloves on and it's strapped to the top of my helmet up here so I can't see it. And I press the button and I turn around to my friend and say, is it recording? And they go, yep, 0001, yeah, it's counting up, it's all good. And you go off and hit the line. And then I look back at the footage later and it's sped up, it's a hyperlapse. Obviously because I've got the gloves and everything on, it's quite hard, it's quite cold, so I'm pressing the button for way too long. I can't tell if I'm pressing the button or not. So yeah, be warned. Hope that helped out some of you guys and that you don't make the same mistake as me. Alright, catch you next time.